Come on, Barbie, let's go party. I'm a Barbie girl. Hey guys, welcome to the Barbie haul. Oh my god, here it is. Hey cuties. So today I am going to be doing a Barbie haul. I'm so excited. So the new Barbie movie is coming out. So like there's so many Barbie things right now. And if you guys have been following me forever, you know that I have always loved Barbie. My nickname has been Barbie since I don't even know. I have a Barbie tattoo. I have so many Barbie things. I've got plastic tits, a plastic ass. I mean, the list goes on. I'm a Barbie girl. Just kidding. Also, welcome to my channel. If you guys want to subscribe to see more, it is free to do so. And I would love to have you guys a part of the little community we have here of the PiinkSparkles girlies and boys. To be honest, I don't really like girly movies, even though I always say like I'm a Barbie girl, love it. I'm more like horror movies, slasher, thrillers, psychological movies. I don't really like girly movies. Doesn't mean you can't be a Barbie girl if you don't like girly movies. I mean, there's like Architect Barbie and I don't even know what I'm trying to say right now. I'm being stupid. But there's all kinds of Barbies, and like Barbie's always said, like, be who you are, be your own person, be your own style of Barbie. It doesn't mean like a plastic stick figure like this, like, oh, hello. There's so many interpretations of Barbie in the world. What I'm trying to say is like the new Barbie movie that's coming out, I have no interest in seeing it. I don't know, it's just cause the sole reason of I'm not like a chick flick type person. But for those who have seen it or are going to see it, please let me know if I should watch it, because I need to know, is it like really like chick flicky? Should I avoid it? Or is it like a must watch if I really like Barbie? Let me know. Merch is everywhere. Like everything Barbie branded is everywhere and I am on it, besties. So I saw on TikTok, actually my friend, Real Italian Barbie, follow her on TikTok. That is how I found that. Look at this. She posted that Urban Planet has Barbie merch and I was like, running. I literally commented, I was like running there, and I literally meant it. Ran there, so I got 2 bags of stuff. I literally grabbed as much as I could. I spent $350 and some dollars. But I also bought my boyfriend stuff because I was like, I'm feeling like, you know, in a spending mood. I'm like spender Barbie right now. So like minus his stuff. Plus I also got some other stuff at Urban Planet, which I'm going to include at the end of this haul in case anyone wants to see it. So if you just want to see the Barbie stuff, I'm going to show all that first. I realized I did not blend my contour here. After I get in like the ring light, I'm like, there's like a line, whatever. Also, I've been out all day, so my makeup has been on and my hair has been like, ugh. But I wanted to come home and film this immediately because I did a poll on my Snapchat. Follow me on Snapchat if you guys want to be a part of videos or like polls or like yes or no's, because I said, do you guys want to see me do a Barbie haul? And the majority were like, yes, do it. So that's what I'm doing right now. So I'm gonna be trying the clothing on because you guys like that. Just remember to be kind to everyone's body styles, types. Everyone has a different body shape, sizes, heights, bigger in some places, smaller in some places. We're all unique and special in our own, whether we've had plastic surgery, enhancements or not, or natural, whatever. Be kind to people's bodies because I can take it. However, when people leave comments like that, I mean, I'm not saying like, don't leave evil comments because like the hate really doesn't affect me anymore. I'm so used to it. It's actually kind of sad to say that, but it could affect somebody else. Like being negative about somebody's body in the comment section, somebody that's struggling maybe with their body or something could read the comments and it could affect them. So just tread lightly. Just watch the Barbie haul if you want to watch the Barbie haul, and let's get into it. So I'm gonna go with the accessories. Should I go with the accessories first? Clothes. I bought so many accessories, girl. Okay, let's do the Barbie stuff and then I'll do the regular. I think I just said that, bitch. Like, okay, so the first thing I got, I feel like is like a basic shirt. I have something like this, but needed it. They were having a sale at Urban Planet where everything was no more than $10, except for the Barbie stuff. So everything else that I show you guys is no more than $10, but I'm going to share the sizes, or the also sizes, but the prices with you guys just in case you guys want to go grab this or want to know the prices. But this was $19.99. I got a large because I was wanting this. Also, I have like boobing. My boobs are the boobs are boobing. So I don't know if this is gonna fit me a little baggier, but I wanted it to be like a little bit looser, not super tight. I got this. It's pretty, like I love the color. This is my favorite kind of Barbie pink color. This is like Saint Germain, bubblegum pink, Pepto-Bismol. Love this so much. And I love, it feels very soft. And the brand, in case anyone's wondering if it's like branded Barbie, it is Streetwear Society. So it is like Urban Planet brand. This was the last one. Also, I went to 2 Urban Planets because I wanted the tracksuit, and they each didn't have it. I don't know if they didn't have it yet or they were sold out. The one girl told me that they get new stuff every day, so they don't know what they're gonna get every day. And the other Urban Planet in my city hasn't got anything yet. Phone around to look around at your local Urban Planets if you guys are wanting some of these, but this one was the last one. If you go watch my TikTok, I also did a TikTok on this because I love it. It was the last one, and at the other Urban Planet, it was completely out of stock. So, like I said, they could be getting more, but oh, there's a little fuzz on it. Bye. Look at this. It's like rhinestones. And the color is like, oh my god, the black and pink. It's so cute, and it was my size. It was a medium. Yes, girl, this was $15.99. Still super good prices. I feel like it's like very Forever 21 quality, style, sizes. I know that Forever 21 also has a Barbie collection. You guys have been telling me, but we do not have one anywhere near me, so I can't get it. Ah! Okay, then I got a similar style to that, but in a different color because I loved it so much, and I love this writing. This is like the How My Tattoo Is. I love this. This is so adorable. This is more of a darker pink color. I think this is gorgeous. Whenever I wear anything Barbie, like throughout the years of me wearing Barbie, people always ask me, where did you get that? Where did you get that? So Urban Planet, baby. So this is so cute. I just hope it's not see-through, but I mean, I feel like if it is, it's like, oh, this one is branded Barbie. Okay, so this one is branded Barbie, and it's $15.99 as well, so I'm assuming that other one is as well. So cute. I just hope they wash well.
Make me what? Make me stop. Do whatever you please.
What's this? Oh no, I got another one. Also, I got this oversized. This is a large, and I think this was meant to be oversized anyway, so I got a large to make it even more oversized. $15.99, and this one is, again, branded Barbie, if you can see there. And it's just this, like, white tee. It's so cute. Just simple, basic, but it hits. You can't go wrong with the prices here, so adorable. Love that. My excitement too, like, literally took over everything. Okay, the rest of this bag is other Urban Planet stuff I got, which I'll show you guys at the end, but let's go into the other Barbie stuff. So I got this. Okay, so I only have one makeup headband to, like, when you're doing your makeup to, like, you know, get your hair out of the way, especially if my hair is like freshly bleached. When I'm putting on my layers of foundation and my bronzer, it gets all in my hair. Somebody asked me once on live, how do I avoid that? Like, how do I avoid the foundation in my hair? I don't. I'll just like put it on, and sometimes I'll literally like, well, and like it's giving gross Barbie. It's giving dirt Barbie, me. But I needed a new one of these anyway, and this one is so soft, and it's a cute little bow. My bestie, Chris, has something so similar to this, so I'm like, twinning, love it. This one was $7.99, and it's, again, branded. I don't know if you guys care if it's branded Barbie. I don't know if you guys care about that, but anyways, it's so soft. I cannot wait. And you can put these in the washing machine. I was gonna say dishwasher. $7.99 though for this. Why am I yelling, girl? Calm down. Also, I'm bringing back the OG PiinkSparkles backgrounds here. Hopefully it's not tacky, and if it is, oh well. This was one of my favorite things I got. This is so cute. $15.99 for this. Look at this. Look at this. She is gorgeous. They're stunning. I never put these in the dishwasher. I just hand wash them. Oh, smells like plastic. It's fantastic. The color, it's stunning. Iced coffees, iced water, iced matcha, iced tea, vodka. Girl, whatever you want.
The color is so pink.
Hairbrush. Here, Barbie. Barbie! $7.99 for this. I don't want to ruin my curls, but I feel like this is a good hairbrush. Either way, it's cute for the aesthetic, and it's like gold, like this rose gold kind of on it. Oh my god. Okay, all the rest are jewelry, and she put them all in separate bags for me because she didn't want them to tangle up, which I appreciate, but high plastic. The jewelry to me was better than the clothes. Other than that like rhinestone Barbie shirt, I think that's like my favorite thing. The jewelry was hitting. So the first thing I got was these. Oh my god. There's a bee, a palm tree, a Barbie head, and then some little hoops there. I have 3 piercings here. You guys asked on one of my Instagram lives if these were still open and why I don't wear jewelry there anymore. And I literally re-pierced my second holes on live. So that's why I got these, because I can put like those little Barbie heads on the second ones. And I think that's gonna be so cute. These were $9.99. It's like Christmas. What's in here? Oh my god, so cute. I have some like this, but they are not rhinestones. So these are Barbie hoops, and these were $9.99 as well. Had to cop. You guys know I love the hoops. I don't care if they're in style, out of style. I was wearing the hoops one day, and one of my friends, okay, wait, I was choosing my outfit. Got my outfit on, felt cute. We were going to the club, and then I was like, oh, hoops. So I put on hoops, and one of my friends literally dead ass looked at me and was like, hoops? What? What does that mean? So I was like, what does that mean? Legit said, so 2020. What? That's like literally 3 years ago. Like, what? I don't care. I will wear hoops until I'm like 80. If I live to 80, I'll be wearing hoops when I'm 80. My hoops are coming with me. In the grave, I'll be, oh my god, that's sad. Anyways, hoops for life, besties. Barbie wears hoops, so I can. Okay, next. So I've been wearing a lot of necklaces lately. Oh my god, this one's so adorable. This one was, how much were you? $12.99. They're so cheap. Look at this. So it's a layered gold chain necklace, and then there is a rhinestone Barbie head with a little chain that goes, oh my god, and there's like this little circle at the end. So this would be perfect for like just like a simple top, and then like just like a plain tank top, and have this do the talking as you're doing the walking. I'm so ugly. Okay, more. What are these? Oh, more hoops. Okay, well, they wouldn't have made hoops if they weren't in fashion anymore. Like, bye. These ones here were $9.99, and they have a mixture of all the other ones that I just previously showed. So the bee, the palm tree, and the Barbie head with gold hoops. I see, right now I'm wearing silver jewelry, but I love gold jewelry. So this is so perfect for me. Right? Okay, and then the last Barbie jewelry, and then I can get into everything else that I got, was this to go on my keys. I'm literally ripping this off right now and throwing these on my keys. It does look already a little scratched up. She looks a little banged up, but that's okay because it was only $7.99. 2023 Mattel. Cute, just a little gold charm thing. I just needed it for my keys. I love like charmy little things. Okay, so that was everything that I got from the Barbie collection, and now I'm gonna go into everything else I got at Urban Planet. If you guys care, if you guys want to watch it, everything was $10 and under, so leave now if you only cared about the Barbie. Bye-bye! I got these hoops for $7.99. They're like half hoops. There's nothing on the other side of them. I thought they were very unique. I don't have anything like this. I think this is such a good deal for this. $10 for this little romper here. Also Barbie-fied. So there's shorts in it. It looks like a dress, but it's shorts. And then there's cute little tie around it here. They were having this like huge sale, so I was all about it. And just the color is just like pops. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, I got some of these like plain tanks because I feel like I always need these, and I buy the cheap ones anyway. So I don't know, should I show these all on? Yeah, okay, so they were all $9.99, but I think they were on for $8 each. So I got like a nude one, and there's like supports in there, and they're like shapewear, but you can take out the supports. You see how it can kind of look like, sometimes when I put them on, it looks like you can see it. So sometimes I do take those out. I got a Barbie pink one like this. And then I got a white one, which I never know if it's going to be see-through or not. And I don't want to be bothered to try on stuff because usually I'm wearing a corset. And it's a whole ordeal. So I was like, I'm not doing it. Okay, you see, this is, it looks like this. So all I do, there's a little pocket. I just take this out and it looks way better. So this is the pink one. On. Minus the tag. It's cute, right? This set is adorable. They were sold separately, but I feel like that's a Barbie sign. Accessories sold separately. It's a they do have Playboy branded merch there, so I love that. So these are gonna be so cute for the summer. They're just like some gray shorts. These would be good on their own or with I had to get this. I had to get this. I got this in a large because it did look a little small. But yeah, it looks like this. These are gonna be adorable together. Love it. Okay, then I got, oh wait, I got some black shorts because I always need black shorts and I feel like I'm always losing mine. These little shorts here, they are Summer Rae, which I never know who that is, but I always see her stuff at Urban Planet. So, so good. I wore these in Mexico, like this brand, and love it. So super stretchy, go with every outfit, high-waisted. And then I got, the last things are 2 dresses. So this one, just because because it was so affordable. It's kind of out of my comfort zone. I don't know, it's just like the styling of it. Again, I didn't try it on, but stuff that I don't like or is not my style or doesn't fit me, whatever, I always will donate to either charities, Goodwill, homeless shelters, women's shelters. I will see if my mom wants them, other people in my life, so they do not go to waste. I never throw away clothes. By the way, just so everyone gets a heads up there, because people are like, you always buy so many clothes. Yes, but I also donate a lot. So I thought it was cute, different, flowy, stretchy, adorable. I like the color too. They're very like bright, summery colors, so I love that. And then the very last thing I got was Love Every Body, and then it is a contour dress. Don't know. We're gonna find out together, besties. I got it in a medium. I don't know. I think it's cute. It's like, I feel like they're trying to like mimic Skims with this. So we're here for it. I love the feeling of it. I feel like it has like shapewear in it, obviously, if it's contour, but it like doesn't. But it feels like that. It feels very like, add some Parmesan. And a little spice. So it looks like that. Love the color. So yeah, that was everything that I got. I hope you guys enjoyed it and enjoyed this little Barbie haul plus a little extra. You guys wanted to see it, so I delivered. And I hope you guys have a beautiful day no matter what you're doing. And let me know your review of the Barbie movie down below. And yeah, that's it. I love you guys so much. And I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye guys! Mwah!